Welcome back to my YouTube channel Shastri. Nodi kali kelitili. Those who are new to my channel, please do subscribe for more further educative informative videos on board examination. So without delay, let's get started for today's topic. That is tips and tricks to score 30 on 30 in 2nd PU Biology Practical Examination 2023. So the board examination is Karnataka PU board examination. That pattern I am discussing. So the first tip is completed certified record book. So you have to complete your all experiments of the prescribed practicals. Then you should take the signature from your lab in charge and you have to get certified from your departmental head of your college. So here the record parts is over. The second tip here is prepare thoroughly for your viva voce question. So there are set of questions to practice for each of the experiments. So 4 questions will be asked over here. So how many questions will be asked? 4 questions will be asked, and probably the 2 questions will be asked by the internal and 2 questions will be asked by the external. Okay, and no extra questions will be asked here, students. So be prepared well in advance for all the set of experiment whether the questions, probable question could be asked. So for those viva questions, please watch my video which is given in the description below. I hope this viva voce questions is clear for you. Next, the third tip is the practical skills do matter. Yes, of course, it's a practical examination and how you perform the experiment that will matter. So whether you got the result or not got the result, that matters here. So no need to fill the paper with irrelevant points. Practicals you have to finish, you have to perform, and if you make up your mind, it's not that difficult to complete your entire practical before the completion of 1 hour. That is probably 40 minutes is enough to complete the bio practical examination. Though it is a 2-hour duration, if you are well skilled and you are prepared thoroughly, definitely you can finish within the 50 minutes of the entire duration. So to know how you can complete the experiments, writing part and viva questions, please stay tuned for my next upcoming video. In that I'll be discussing how to write the answers and how you can prepare at your home and you will be thorough to go for the examination. Okay, so this is regarding your skills. Next, you have to keep in mind there will be no additional sheet is provided. Only one sheet will be given, and in the one sheet you have to fill the entire details of the board examination. Okay, so this also very important. No additional will be given, so you cannot waste the page or you cannot waste the space of the page, and particular question should be written in the particular space provided in the answer sheet. So those things I'll be explaining in my further video. Please stay tuned for that, guys. Next tip here is take care of your answer sheet and avoid stains. So you should take care of your answer sheet very carefully while performing your practicals. So one tip here is avoid staining your answer paper while performing handling stains or water and all this. You can keep your answer sheet away from the working area. Away from the working area. I hope it is clear for you. Next, carry all the essential stationery items. This is one of the important part or the segment. So if you forget something and if you go to the exam and if you appear there and you will go blank because this I am not having. You know that the practical examination will be under CCTV surveillance and you cannot talk to anyone in the lab examination. You have to do your exam and come back. Without, you cannot have any conversation with the one who is sitting next to you in the examination, isn't it? So you have to carry all the essential items like apron or the stationery items and the dissection box and other things you have to carry with you. So the complete video on the essential of the lab, I have done it. So I have given the link in the description. Please go check out it. Okay. So this is the 6th tip. Then the 7th tip is practice the model paper and be thorough with the question paper pattern. So whichever exam you are going to give, you should know how the examination is, what is the breakup or the marks breakup is there, and how the examiner going to value your paper. You should be thorough, and you should be knowing which are the set of experiments which will come for the performing and which can be coming for your identification and which can be asked for your viva question. So you must be knowing all these different set of experiments which you have done under your practicals. Okay, so you can check that detailed video on which are the performing practicals, list of experiments. So please check the video in the description. And the last tip I want to give is, first you have to aim. So you have to keep a goal how much you want to score in your examination. That is, you have to aim the examination, and then you should be calm. You should be calm in your examination. So that is a second key for your examination. And how much ever you will be calm, your mind will work better and your skills do matter here. And the way you perform will add to your extra bonus for your score. So this is a success mantra I will call, and I have been training my students. So I have made sure to score them about 25 for the 30, and most of them have got for 30 and 30 following all the tips and tricks what I have given in the video. So once if you manage to score 30 on 30 here in biology, you will be giving a theory exam for about 70 marks, I suppose. In that also, from this year on, there is a new update that MCQs will be introduced in your board examination, and it will be easy for you to score a distinction in biology, and it's a very damn difficult to fail in the biology. If you make up your mind, only then you can fail, guys. So scoring 85 and above 85, it's very easy. Since you already have got the 30 on 30 here in the practical, how much it will be left for you to score a distinction? It's only 50. Even if you just focus on part E, part D and part E section of your theory paper, easily you can come up to 50 marks, and 50 plus 30 or around, if you write a score for 50 to 55, you will get 85 so easily. So scoring 85 and above 85 is very easy. I hope this lecture series on practical exam is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Please subscribe my channel. Please guys, do subscribe. It's free for you. Okay. And if you subscribe and you show your love and support, so it also give me some motivation for me to do better videos and most videos for you. If you want any particular video, please do mention in the comment section below, so I can make a video for you and it will be helpful for you. Please share this content with your friends, so it will be helpful for them as well, those who are giving the board examination. And whatever queries you have regarding the practical examination, you can please reach me either through Instagram or Facebook, or you can mail me to my email account. So subscribe my channel, share the content, and if you like, please do like the video.